Here we go. Cut these out. Gonna spread them over our sheet pan. First, we start with some diced cucumbers that I've chopped up. Get them nice and spread around on there. Some fire roasted peppers. These actually aren't super spicy.
Oh.
We got some chopped red onions that we're gonna spread over this baby. Now, if I were to do this again, I would do some thinly sliced. I kind of did like a rough chop on these, and it'll still be good. But if I was to do it again, I'd probably do thinly sliced. Kind of mix them around. This is Greek, you know, it's okay to use your hands. So quartered artichokes and just kind of spread them around. I didn't want too many. I don't like a whole lot of artichoke, but if it's a little bit of it, I'm okay with it. Tomatoes that I cut in half, some grape tomatoes. Probably the most Greek part about this, some Kalamata olives. You gotta have olives if we're talking Greek. My family is part Mediterranean, so I really appreciate this recipe. Okay, well, we're getting close to the end here, people. It's looking nice. Got all that mixed on in there. All right, very important part. We're gonna take some tzatziki sauce and just spread it all around the nachos.
Look at all that tzatziki sauce.
I know, yeah, gotta get nice and spread around. Gotta spread the love. I love that movie, My Big Fat Greek Wedding.
Oh yeah, it's a classic.
And I love the Greek festival when it comes in town too. I guess it's because I'm part Greek. I'm gonna take some feta cheese.
Ooh.
Just kind of dust it over the top. I love feta cheese, so I'm gonna be generous with it. I mean, these are nachos. You know, I like my nachos with just a heaping amount of stuff. You know what I mean?
Oh yeah. Who doesn't love feta cheese?
I don't know if I met anyone who doesn't. All right, y'all. So we've got the oven preheated to 375. We're gonna throw it in there for 10 to 15 minutes. That's all it takes is 10 to 15 minutes, you guys. Come back and check on it. Look at these great nachos, baby. Hey, that smells good. It smells like a Greek restaurant. Yeah, get a look at that. That is looking good.
Yum.
Yeah, give them that close up now.
Ooh, all that tzatziki.
Man, it smells good. All right, let's give this a try. Oh yeah. Mm-hmm. It's a little warm still, but let's see. Oh wait. Ooh. If that dog don't shut up, I'm trying to eat. Mmm. Mmm. Forget them other nachos, y'all. Greek nachos where it's at.